What is up, everybody? My name is Broke Heart. Sorry if I sound like shit. I feel like shit. I'm sick. Oh yeah, one just came in the freaking mail today. Alright, let's get it up. And, yep, I knew it. It's the rose. Alright, and that's another unboxing. Hold on, I'm just gonna focus. Yeah, this is a silver rose that I got. Now it's time to put it with the rest of the chains up there. And then I just gotta wait for my lock to arrive. Sorry this video is super short, but like I feel like total shit right now. Yeah. Alright. See you guys later. See you guys in the next video. Peace.